Hi guys, I am here today with a mini facial. It is all natural, made with kitchen ingredients. It's going to work as a mini facial and an exfoliating scrub followed by a mask. It's going to brighten and lighten your skin. It's going to exfoliate all the dead skin off of your face, and it's going to detan your skin. You can even use this same scrub all over your body, on your hands, your feet, your arms, all over your body. It's going to make your skin very smooth and glowy. And right now I have already showered after doing the whole process. This is the after face. I have no makeup on. The only thing I have on is a little bit of chapstick, and I'm wearing the vitamin C serum, which is from myGlamUSA. It's a 20% vitamin C serum. So that's the only thing I have on. I'll be waiting about 15 minutes and then I will apply the argan oil to moisturize my skin. And this is a really amazing face scrub. It's made with the kitchen ingredients which we all have at home. It's very inexpensive but extremely effective. It's going to give you superb, amazing skin, very soft and shiny, glowy skin. So before we get into the video, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. Okay, so let's get started with the scrub. So here I have washed my face. It's completely dry. There is nothing on my skin at the moment. I just have some chapstick on because my lips are really dry and my skin is on the dry side, and especially right now because it's winter. So the skin, most people have that problem of dry skin. So if you do have a problem of dry skin, then I'm going to show you what to do. But the first step we're going to do is we're going to take some milk and dip a cotton ball in it and just do some cleansing of our face with milk. The milk has lactic acid in it, and lactic acid helps with lightening and brightening of the skin as well as exfoliation. So it's really good. Plus milk also helps with the dryness. So if you have dry skin, for sure you want to do this cleansing step first. And also it's going to remove any dirt or anything that's left over on your face after washing. It's going to remove that. So that's why we're doing this step. And make sure to always include the neck. Don't ever forget to do your neck. Whatever you do to your face, please make sure that you always do the same steps to your neck as well. Because if you don't include your neck in your regular skincare or any kind of facials or scrubbing, the difference will start showing, and you don't want that. You want the whole face along with the neck to look even. So guys, the first ingredient that we need is obviously coffee, because this is a coffee scrub. So this is around half a teaspoon of coffee. I'm taking just enough that's going to cover my face and my neck. I don't want to make too much and then have to waste it, or I don't have time right now to put it on my arm, my hands or my legs. But this scrub would be awesome if you have, if you want to do like a detanning of your hands and your feet. It really works with that as well. So we have coffee. Coffee has many benefits for the skin. It works as a lightening and a brightening agent. It detans your skin, it exfoliates. It also depuffs your skin because it has caffeine in it. It helps in depuffing your skin. So if you have a swollen face, if you have a lot of puffiness, especially under the eyes, coffee really helps with that. It also has anti-aging properties. It helps with wrinkles and fine lines, and it will give you a really nice glow on the face, and it's going to make your face shine. It's going to make your skin glow. So we have half teaspoon of coffee. Then we have half teaspoon of sugar. I have this raw organic brown sugar. This is not the regular white sugar. So this is the it's a little grainy. It's not the very fine sugar. It's a grainy sugar. So we're just going to add the sugar in the coffee. Okay. The next thing we're going to add is some argan oil. This is the argan oil from my brand. It's called from myGlamUSA. You can get it from my website, www.myglamusa.com. I will be linking it down below in the description. So because I have dry skin, I'm going to add a little bit of argan oil. You can also add almond oil, olive oil, whatever oil suits your skin, you can add it. I'm adding argan oil. This is my favorite oil because it's very lightweight, it's very moisturizing, and it's packed with vitamin E. It has a lot of anti-aging properties. That's why this is my favorite oil, and that's why I carry it in my brand. It's 100% organic, pure Moroccan argan oil. So I'm just going to add a few drops of this oil into the mixture. So that was about 10 drops. And then the next thing that we will add is some lemon juice. But we're not going to add too much of lemon juice because we don't want to, once we add the lemon juice, the sugar will start melting. So we're just going to add like maybe 10 drops or so just to make the paste out of it. But we're not going to add too much because we want the grainy texture of the sugar to give us the scrubbing effect. So I'm just going to squeeze the lemon juice in it. So that was about half a teaspoon of the lemon juice as well. So we are ready to put the scrub on our face. So what I'm going to do is basically just go like this. It's pretty grainy. What we're going to do is next is we are going to massage the skin in circular motions for about 3 to 4 minutes so that the exfoliation action can happen. It will loosen up all the dead skin and make the skin smooth and soft. That's the whole point. And the lemon juice will help with the lightening action. Lemon juice acts as a natural bleach for the skin. So the lemon will help with bleaching and lightening of the skin. Coffee will help with the de-tanning and the glow. And the argan oil is helping with the moisturizing of the skin so that it doesn't become too dry. So guys, my massage is done. I'm going to leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can even leave it on for longer depending on how much time you have. It's not going to dry completely because it has oil in it and you don't want it to dry completely. Just 15 minutes is good. And after 15 minutes, I will wash it and come back and show you what my face looks like. So I just got done washing my face and I hope that you guys can see the difference and you can see the glow on my skin. It's already so smooth and soft and it feels really good. My face is nice and depuffed. A lot of the tan has come off and it's feeling really soft and glowing, and I'm sure you can tell that it looks really good. After this, you are free to apply a face pack. You can mix like multani mitti, which is fuller's earth, or you can mix chickpea flour, anything that has a tightening effect on your skin, or you can use the white of an egg mixed with some honey. You can do that. You can make any face pack which has a skin tightening effect. There should be no scrubbing action involved in that. So just apply a face pack for 10 or 15 minutes and then wash it off. So that's what I'll be doing next. Today I will be using an egg face mask. Here I have the white of the egg, just a little bit, and in it I will be mixing some raw organic honey. If you can find manuka honey or any kind of organic honey, that is great. Just a little bit, not much. Maybe like a quarter teaspoon of honey and some lemon juice because I want some more of that whitening bleaching action. So just a few drops. And aloe vera is also a really good option. Aloe vera gel. So you can just add honey and lemon in your aloe vera gel or any other mask and just use it. You can to make the mask with the besan, with the chickpea flour or rice flour, you can add milk or rose water in it to make the paste. So I'm just going to leave this on for about 10 minutes and then I'll wash my face. So guys, here is the final step which is done. I washed off the egg mask and you can clearly see the glow on my skin, how much it's shining. It feels really nice, soft and silky. It's clean and washed and feels really good. The dead skin is off, that's why it's feeling very soft and silky. And you can do the scrub once a week, not a problem. You can do this scrub all over your body, also all over your arms, your legs, all over your body. It really helps as a very good de-tanning agent because of the coffee. And the final step that I'm gonna do, yes, and one more thing, it really works well for the dark circles. So I don't have dark circles and I don't have much puffiness under my eyes, so I did not bother applying very close to the eyes, but you can definitely do that with this. Do not scrub under your eyes for sure, please. Keep the scrubbing action or near the cheekbones and all the other areas of your face, but do not scrub under your eyes. But you can apply the mask under your eyes and leave it there and then just wash it off. And so it's going to help you really well with the dark circles and puffiness. And for the very last step, because my skin now is going to feel stretchy and dry because I've washed off everything, all the oils are off, skin is clean and tight. So I'm going to apply the argan oil as my moisturizer. That's going to be my last step, and I am done. So just gonna show you quickly. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you got to learn something. Please do try it out and let me know down below in the comments how you liked it, how it worked out for you. Did it make any difference in your skin, which I'm sure 100% it's going to make a difference in everyone's skin. So do let me know, and until next time,